The following message is transmitted by the request of the NIC Department of Education. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 9 a.m., it has been confirmed that multiple teachers in multiple schools have been forcing people to do an unknown program. It is identified as dangerous and should not be used. If you are forced to do this program, do not do it, as you will be putting your life at risk. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted by the request of the New York City Department of Education. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is an update to the alert that was broadcasted 1 hour ago. As of 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unknown object has been released into the air. The object's colors are blue, green and orange. The program has also been identified as iReady. All residents of New York City are advised not to use iReady at this time, as well as stay indoors. Do not go outdoors unless you need to. Call 911 for help. Stay tuned for more information.
Hi, Phil Swift here with another amazing accessory from the Flex Seal family of products. This is Flex Tape Adhesive Remover. Everyone knows Flex Tape is virtually impossible to remove. Until now, with Flex Tape Adhesive Remover. Just spray and instantly peel Flex Tape away. Use Flex Tape to seal windows and doors before powerful storms hit.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Centers for Disease Control. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 10:30 a.m., people are reporting an unknown computer virus, which spreads the entire city of New York. Symptoms of this virus include, but are not limited to, fever, coughing, headaches, blackouts, and trouble breathing. This virus was generated when someone at iReady and NIC opened the iReady app, which caused this virus. If you or your loved ones have any of these symptoms, call 911 or run to the nearest hospital. Stay tuned for more information.
Did you steal my Cheetos again?
Just tell him it wasn't you.
But I caught you at the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw you snacking on the sofa.
Wasn't me.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the civil authorities. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 11:30 a.m., people had their homes destroyed and invaded by a creature. This creature can be identified as Snarg. As a result, civil authorities advises people to seek immediate shelter. Gather all necessary supplies for your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Do not be in a room with others, as they will be killed by this creature. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted by the request of the New York Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. 2 more creatures have appeared and are roaming around the state of New York. It has also been reported that these creatures are making copies of themselves. They will be at New Jersey and Delaware very soon. All residents of New York are advised to seek shelter. Remember to not be in a room with others in it. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted by the request of the New York, New Jersey, and Delaware Police Departments. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. It has been reported that 50 million copies of Snarb and the 2 other creatures are now across the mentioned states. It has been reported that the 2 other creatures are Pluri and Uke. These creatures have been launching nuclear missiles from North Korea. These missiles are very powerful, that the states are turning into IRD locations. All residents of the 3 states must seek a fallout shelter immediately. Stay tuned for updates. America is under attack. I repeat, America is under attack. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Las Vegas Police Department as well as the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. At 1 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, more missiles have been launched from North Korea and Russia. Over 100 million copies of the 3 creatures have been appeared, and it is not sure if more will be generated. All residents in the United States must seek a fallout shelter now. The National Guard is trying their best to take them down. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems must transmit this emergency action notification message. This message has been transmitted by the request of the United States military, as well as the National Guard, to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information and instructions for your local area. The emergency alert system has been activated.
This is breaking news for Mexico City. At 1:45 p.m., we have been hearing reports that missiles are being launched into our city. This could transform our city into an already location. Looks like we have been hearing reports that the EAS will activate shortly. All Mexicans should stand by for this alert. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it has been reported that more missiles are being launched. North America and South America are currently in danger. All residents in the both areas should seek immediate shelter now. Gather supplies for your shelter. such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. We are currently not sure if this nightmare will last for long, but we will see. Stay tuned for more information.
The following message is transmitted by the request of NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 2:45 p.m., there has been an unfortunate discovery about Ioridity. As of right now, it has been reported that an asteroid is colliding with Earth. The asteroid's impact is at Australia. All residents, if you're still alive, do the following instructions. Gather your friends and family, pets, or anything you love, and brace for impact. Once the asteroid impacts, massive earthquakes will occur, massive tsunamis and explosions will, and black hole will be generated and suck in the entire planet of Earth, and after that, all life will be reset and focused on Ioridity. The sun will be blocked for 60 years. After this emergency concludes, all TV and radios will go black, and internet services and communications will be black. The national anthem will be played. Michael 765, we will save you. Our Lord, Jesus Christ, will save us and escape this planet. Please stand by as we include the final playing of the national anthem. May God help us all.